How would you like to join my troupe, eh? Well, how'd I go?
And while you're busy working, do just like the Platies do. Though the day may be long, you never will go wrong. Off key, on key, any old key, just start the day with a song.
Before the white man came to this great continent, it was inhabited by a stalwart race of people known as Indians. Though they were all brothers under the redskin, the Indians were divided into different tribes, such as the Blackfeet, the Flatheads, the Hotfoots, and of course, the Cleveland Indians. The Indian tribes were all led by famous chiefs, among whom were Big Chief Crazy Horse and Big Chief Rain in the Face. The Redskins were crafty hunters and could lure a moose out of the woods by imitating its call. Yeah! Yeah! Indians were the first to grow tobacco, and they were also the first to commercialize it.
Old American Indian.
Communication from one tribe to another was carried on by means of smoke signals. Before Indian braves went on the warpath, they made themselves look ferocious by decorating their bodies with war paint. It was a dangerous undertaking for any paleface to travel through Indian territory.
Good. Keep big prize. Oh, we buy 'em.
Sing the Pony Boy. Do pale faces remember Pony Boy's song? Just follow him, bounce and ball.
Pony boy, won't you be my Tony boy? Don't say no, here we go, off across the plains. Carry me, right away with you. Giddy up, whoa, my Pony boy. Way out west in the nest, from the rest, dwelt the bestest little Indian boy. He could ride, he could fly on the prairie like an arrow. Every maid in the glade was afraid he would trade his little heart away. So each little peach made a nice little speech of love to him. Pony boy, won't you be my Tony boy? Don't say no, here we go, up across the plains. Marry me, carry me, right away with you. Giddy up, whoa, my Pony boy. Till one day out the way, so they say, came to stay a saucy ruffled girl. She made eyes, she surprised, and he found his heart was lassoed. When When he thought he was caught, how he fought, but she taught his pony boy to love. Boy to love, but he balked when she talked of a trip to New York, so she sang to him. Pony boy, won't you be my Tony boy? Don't say no, here we go, up across the plains. Marry me, right away with you. Giddy up, whoa, my pony boy. Pony boy, now that you're my only boy, we'll be gay, we will play on the great white way. You and me, we will be full of fun and glee. Hurry up, whoa, my pony boy.
In recent years, many Indians have struck oil on their reservations and have become fabulously wealthy.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.